What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to put to the test pressure washer former for washing your car, or like in this case side by side car. I can always take it to the car wash and pay like $5 and clean it up, but the side by side not really road legal, so I have to wash it around here myself, cannot really take it to the car wash. So as you can see, it's really muddy, and I looked up online what is the best way to wash your car or side by side, and I found this pressure washer former. So I pulled out my pressure washer and we're going to clean up our side by side. Let's see if this thing works well or not. This is my pressure washer right here, North Star and Honda engine. Alright, this is what I'm gonna be using with that. Okay, little unboxing. It comes with the pressure washer attachment and a bottle right here. This right here goes into here all the way, I'm pretty sure. And tighten it up. It says that here, add 1 to 2 ounces of snow foam to 5 gallons of water. Okay, I filled it up with water, and then we need to add soap for foam cannon. All we have to do is add 1 to 3 ounces of soap. That looks good. Then we're gonna close it tight, and then we're gonna mix it up really well. And then we're going to put it inside our pressure washer. Boom, hopefully it will work well. You know what guys, it looks pretty good. If I want it to be a little bit more soapy, I can just add more soap to it, but look at that. That's quite a bit of soap on it. It's going to get cleaned out. Should have put a little bit more soap into here, but check this out how much soap there is. First of all, what I'm gonna do is put 100 milliliters of soap, and then the rest I'm gonna fill it up with water. Let's see if it's going to give us a little bit more soap. Wow, look at the difference already. It's shining. I haven't even washed it off the second time. You know what, I'm gonna heat it one more time, and I bet it's going to look like brand new. Oh yeah, that's definitely a lot more soap. You know what guys, 100 milliliters, as you can see, a lot better because it comes with a lot of soap, way more soap. Now I'm just gonna let it sit like that, soak it up, and then we're going to heat it again without any soap, and let's see the difference before and after. I bet it's gonna be so much more cleaner. Wow, I haven't seen this side by side to be so clean and so long. Okay, and next I'll just get myself a couple of towels, my microfiber towels, better, and just go like that. You know what, when you soap it up, maybe it's even better if you would actually use some kind of sponge and sponge it all up, so that way you get rid of all these water stains or those deep dirty pieces, especially side by side, been really dirty. Like, you saw how much mud there was. So I should have got a sponge, like a big sponge, and rub through all of that and get rid of all that heavy stains. But I think it'll be good. I'll just now wipe it off and shine it up. It is pretty scorched up. We use it a lot for many things. So we beat it up quite a bit. It's being used, it's not just a toy. It's actually a tool, because I use for beekeeping, firewood, just many reasons around here. So it's nice to keep up with it and actually give it a little wash so it will look good. So if you take care of it, it will take care of you. Is that what they say? But I still love the tool because it does soften it up very well and clean off those bigger pieces and other pieces, because this side right here was completely dirty. There was so much mud, it knocks off the mud really good too. I like it. Remember, all this spot was really dirty. Now it's honestly really clean. It was a big mud sponge over here, and it all came off with this soap cannon. So it does great. I love it. It does all that hard work getting rid of. It definitely does a great work to get rid of big chunks of mud. I don't really care for it to be super clean, because I know I'm gonna go drive in the mud really soon, and it's gonna be just muddy once again. If I do clean it up, might as well get it clean as possible. And boom, there's before and after difference. Honestly, I think it looks really good, especially right here in the back. All that was really muddy. If you look inside here, it cleaned up really good as well. Not amazing, but it's still done the job just well enough for me not to be like, wow, this is super muddy. Well guys, and check this out, look how much cleaner that is. It's actually shining. Wow, I haven't seen this side by side shining in a while. Usually I would use just a hose and a soapy sponge to clean it up, but look at that, it's so shiny. I like that a lot. I haven't seen it shine in so long. Love it. Looks like new to me. Definitely does a great job. One of these bottles, 100 milliliters of this soap mixed with water, and I think it's about a liter of water mixture together. Yep, 1000 milliliters. It will last you easily to soap up a whole car. Only one car though, not two cars. If you want to do a really good job, you do this again and double coat it. So let's do 200 milliliters mixture. So it's 2 liters with water. It will definitely wash your car really well. We're gonna let it sit and soak it up with soap for a little bit, and then I'm gonna pressure wash it again without the soap, and we'll see how good of a job will it do. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this soap cannon. Honestly, in my opinion, I probably will use it a lot from now on, especially for four-wheelers, side-by-side, maybe even trailers. I can really take him to a car wash and wash off a trailer I don't think you're even allowed to do so. So that way it will be actually easy for me around my land, clean up all of these things, maybe even a boat. There's so many things you can use this to wash off things off. And it doesn't even have to be vehicles. Some other things that I need to soap it up. I think it's awesome. I'm definitely using it again. So if you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.